Take a ride in the 2016 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.